Meaning of devil-may-care.
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 Devil-may-care. Devil-may-care is an idiomatic expression used to describe a reckless or carefree attitude towards life or a situation. It suggests a lack of concern for the possible negative consequences of one's actions and a willingness to take risks without considering the potential dangers. People who have a devil-may-care approach often appear fearless, daring, and impulsive, which can lead to both successful outcomes and disastrous failures. Overall, having a devil-may-care mentality can result in exciting adventures and experiences, but it may also bring about serious consequences.